Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of their name, who taught us all the names, the merciful, the mighty, and the omnipotent. Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the passive voice for present and future models. When there is might, should, ought to in the sentence, so how we can change that sentence into passive voice. So look at that. Okay, the first one is might. So when there is might in a sentence, we have to put be with it, and we can change it into passive voice. Like, look at this sentence. She might kill the snake. This is might, model verb. So we have to put past form of verb here. So past form of verb will be with every model verb. Okay. She might kill the snake. The snake might be. We have to put be with it. Okay, when we change this sentence into passive voice, so we have to put be with might. The snake might be and kill will be changed into third form of verb. Killed, third form of verb. There will be third form of verb. By who? By her. Because for she, we use her. So, okay, so that will be she might kill the snake might be killed by her. Okay, look at the other sentence. She might not kill the snake. She might not kill the snake. Not is here. Negative sentence. So when we want to change it into passive voice, so it will be like the snake might not be. The snake might not be, and kill will be changed into killed. Third form of verb. Okay. By who? By her. Okay. The next one is might she kill the snake? That is interrogative. Okay, interrogative sentence. So might she kill the snake? Might. We will put might at the start of this sentence. Might the snake be killed by who? By her. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about should. When there is should in a sentence, so how we can change that sentence into passive voice. So look at that. Should will be changed into should be, and there is nothing difficult. Okay, only buy will be changed into bought, and the same sentence will be like that. I should buy this clock. This clock should be. Okay, should we put be with should. Okay, and buy we change it into third form of verb bought. Okay, so I should buy this clock. This clock should be bought by me. I should not buy this clock. I should not buy this clock. This is negative sentence, and when you want to change it into passive voice, this clock should not be bought. Third form of verb. By who? By me. Because for I, we use me. Should I buy this clock? Should I buy this clock? There is a question mark. It is interrogative. So when we want to change this sentence and to passive voice, so it will be like, should this clock be bought by me? Okay, so you have to put only be with should and third form verb, so then it will be like a correct passive voice. Okay, now let's discuss about ought to. If there is ought to, so we have to put ought to be when we want to change that sentence. When there is ought to in a sentence and we want to change that sentence into passive voice, so we have to put be with it. Be and then third form of verb when we want to change this sentence into passive voice. Okay, so look at that. You ought to help her. You ought to help her. So she ought to be helped by you. Help will be changed into help. Okay, ed. Helped. She ought to be helped by you. You ought not to help her. You ought not to help her. She ought not to be helped by you. Here is not. This is negative sentence. Okay. So that help will be changed into helped. Okay. Helped by who? By you. Okay. So we make this video that when there is present and future models, and we want to change that into passive voice, that kind of sentence into passive voice, so we have to put be with it. Like, look at here, with might we put might be, or should we have to do should be, and ought to be. Okay, so you have to understand it, and it's quite easy. There is nothing difficult in it. Thank you. Have a nice day.